Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Caution: the following procedure should only be performed in a clean room environment. Before you begin, remove the recess cover, display enclosure, battery, volume button board, power button board, touchscreen control board, speakers, wireless module, solid-state drive, audio board, POGO board, display panel cable, vibrator motor, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and webcam cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna and webcam cables from the routing channel on the middle frame. Remove the 15 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the touchscreen. Lift the middle frame off of the alignment pins on the touchscreen and remove. Replacement. Place the middle frame onto the alignment pins on the touchscreen. Caution: ensure that all cables are free from being pinched between the middle frame and touchscreen. Replace the 15 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the touchscreen. Route the wireless antenna and webcam cables through the routing channel on the middle frame.